we're back for round 2 with the grease gun. Let's see what I remember. Like, there's little things like that, right?
Hold on, show me in the camera
Oh my
what
god,
you just...
that's a screw. Isn't there something right here that we greased?
Yep, look around.
I totally would have greased that if you were not here. Oh, that.
Yep.
Okay.
You don't shove it back in your pocket. Okay, so it was pretty much out of grease. Pull it off there. So, as per usual, when you grab a grease gun, it's fucking empty. So, now you get to learn how to change it.
Yay. How long do I hold this?
About 6, 7 pumps. This part of the skid steer, you've got like 10 spots.